Hey guys, here comes the southbound Amtrak Texas Eagle 21 train. Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Yeah, he's going into siding. Yep, it went into siding. Here it is. Yep, that's Amtrak going into siding. Southbound Amtrak Texas Eagle 21 is in the siding. It's gonna wait on a northbound to come by, and it'll be here like a few minutes. So stay tuned. Bye bye.